Hello lovelies, welcome back to Ify Love Style, where we talk about everything fashion, beauty and a little bit of lifestyle. If this is your first time of stopping by, hi, my name is Ifoma. I'm glad to have you. Be sure to subscribe because I would love for you to stay here. I've been featuring all of Walmart's 4 pieces all through the month of September, so be sure to check out my previous Walmart video. I will leave them in the description box, and I'll also link some of them here so that you can check it out. And today's video is also, of course, a Walmart haul, so let's get into it. So you may be seeing some items, some repeated items. It is part of the things that I got from Walmart. So the new ones, I may be styling it with previous items that I already featured in my videos because it is all part of Walmart 4 collection. So the very first item I have is this time and true satin slip dress. It comes in the size extra small, I think extra small to extra large. So in the styling part of this video, I just kept it very simple. I added this blazer that I already talked about from the brand Scoop, and this blazer also comes in size extra small to extra large. I'm wearing mine in a large, and I went ahead, I wore my pointed heels that I got from Marshalls, and I'm also carrying this handbag in that same color that I got from Walmart. So this is a very simple outfit. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's something that you can wear for work, dressed like this. Next styling part, I went ahead, I styled this satin dress with this cardigan that I got from the brand Free Assembly. This cardigan comes in that camel color with white detail and black details on the sleeves and the neckline. It's a button down cardigan and it has 2 pockets in front of the cardigan. I love this cardigan so much. It looks so bougie. It's just giving that old money, quiet luxury vibes that is trending. In the styling part of this video, as you can see, I added this cardigan to this slip dress, and I'm wearing a black shoe, and I'm also carrying a black handbag. You can also wear this for like date night. It's a very simple outfit, and you can style this with your cardigans, you can style it with blazer, you can even style it with your sweaters. You can also add a t-shirt and tie it up, and no one will know that is a dress. So on to the next item. So the next item I have is this Free Assembly cardigan that I just talked about. I wanted to kind of show you another way that you can dress up this cardigan. You can wear it with your tights, you can wear it with skinny jeans, you can wear it on your slip skirt. I just love this cardigan. I wish you can touch this cardigan. This quality is just so really good, which is what I like about this Free Assembly line. And in the styling part of this video, I just kept it simple. I styled it with my black tights, and I'm wearing my black booties, and I'm also carrying a black handbag. On to the next item. So the next item I have is also a cardigan that I got from the brand Free Assembly. This one is in the color dark green, or you may call it olive green too. I just love this cardigans. It's a button down cardigan. It comes in the size extra small to extra large. I'm wearing mine in the size medium, and it has those 2 pockets at the front of the cardigan, which is what I like. During the cold season, you can just put your hands there for some extra warmth. And the styling part of this video, I went ahead, I styled it with my cargo pants. These cargo pants come in size 0 to size 18. I am wearing mine in a size 12 because I was going for that oversized look. So I just love this look. It is very simple. Layered it with a white t-shirt that I also got from Scoop in the size medium. This t-shirt also comes in the size extra small to extra large. Walmart really went ahead and did a lot of designers dupe. This Scoop t-shirt reminds me of the Skims brand from Kim Kardashian. It just looked like really fitted to the body. That's how it is meant to look. I would say size up if you don't like that fitted look, but I'm wearing mine in a size medium. And I went ahead, I added my little black bag, and I'm also wearing some black heels to tie this look together. So on to the next item. So the next item I have is this brand faux leather jacket that I got from the brand Time and True. Walmart have a lot of faux leather jacket right now. They have from Scoop, they have from Time and True, they have from No Boundaries, and I already bought a lot of faux leather jacket from the brand Scoop last year, so I won't be buying from that brand this year. But I saw this chocolate brand from the brand Time and True, and I went ahead and I grabbed it. And I think it comes in size extra small all the way to extra large. I got mine in a size large because, you know, I want to layer with this, so I don't want it to be too snug. In the styling part of this video, I went ahead, I styled it with this wide leg denim that I got from the brand Time and True. This denim is in the light wash. I wish it was a darker wash, but that the darker wash was sold out so far. Time and True at Walmart, they really did something this year. They brought a lot of really nice denim, and they are selling out so fast because the price is just so awesome. So people are just buying these things. So I got mine in a size 10, and I added a white long sleeve shirt that I also got from Scoop. I went ahead, I started with some booties, and I'm also carrying a black handbag. So on to the next item. So the next item I have is this top that I have on. It comes in this color, it comes in white, and it comes in like that khaki green color, which is just like trending right now. That color is just all over the place. So in the styling part of this video, I went ahead and I styled it first with my free assembly denim pants, and I'm wearing mine in a size 10. My denim pants is a size 10. It's either 8 or size. Sometimes I can wear 8, sometimes I wear 10. This top also comes in size extra small to extra large. In the styling part of this video, I styled it with my black handbag, and I'm also wearing my ballet flat. So next, I went ahead, I styled it with a pencil skirt. I also added a black heels, and I'm also carrying some black handbag, and you can add a trench coat if you have it in black to this look, something that you can wear to work. On to the next item. The next item I have is this straight crop denim that I got from the brand Free Assembly. I went ahead and I started with my black long sleeve shirt that I got from the brand Scoop, which I'm wearing in the size medium. And I went ahead, I added my loafers, and I'm also carrying a black handbag. This is just a very chic, easy look. You can add a blazer or you can add a leather jacket to this look. On to the next item. The next item I have is this black crochet dress that I got in the size medium. It is from the brand Time and True. It may be sold out because it was supposed to be their summer dress. I just kept it very simple in this video. I styled it with my transparent heels, and I'm carrying a brand handbag. And this dress, you can also add a blazer. It is more like a summer dress that I got since, but I forgot to feature, so I just added it to this video. So let me know what you think of all the outfits in the comment section. So lovelies, that will be all for this video. Thank you for sticking with me through my Walmart series. Let me know in the comment section which of this outfit that you like. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification. Do give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let me know the kind of video that you want to see next. And check me out on my socials to see how I am wearing all of these looks. And until my next one, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you so much, and bye.